Today we're on West Grand Terre Island, where we are restoring the beach and dune and marsh habitat, as well as installing rock breakwaters on the bay side to protect the shoreline, as well as the gulf side with the extension to Fort Livingston rock. We are also constructing a rock Sperm, which will help capture sand and potentially increase the beach and dune on that side of the island. This island was heavily impacted by Ida. We were able to restore it almost to its original project footprint. And at the end of the day, we have a successful project that we have constructed.